Have you ever wondered how AI influencers are making a splash in the digital marketing world and generating income? Well, let's dive right in. The social media landscape is transforming at an incredible speed, and AI influencers are at the forefront of this change. For those who are new to the term, AI influencers are virtual personalities created using artificial intelligence. They're designed to interact, engage, and influence just like human influencers, but without the constraints and challenges associated with traditional influencing. The world of social media influencing is a tough one. It demands constant content creation, an engaging personality, and the ability to adapt quickly to trends. But with AI influencers, these challenges become a thing of the past. These virtual personalities are not bound by physical limitations or time constraints. They can engage with followers round the clock, adapt to trends in real time, and generate content at a pace that's simply impossible for their human counterparts. And the best part, they're proving to be a goldmine. With their unique appeal and limitless potential, AI influencers are attracting big brands and raking in the dollars. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. The potential of AI influencers extends far beyond what we can currently comprehend. With advancements in technology, they are set to disrupt the digital marketing landscape in ways we can only dream of. The world of AI influencers is not a dream anymore, it's a reality that's revolutionizing social media influencing. If you're wondering if this is just another tech fad, let's look at some real-life examples of AI influencers already making waves. Take the fashion-forward Lil Miquela, for example. With over 3 million followers, she's collaborated with big-name brands, all while being a computer-generated persona. Then there's Yumi, the AI influencer created by cosmetics giant Skay2. Yumi has not only become the face of the brand, but she's also engaging with consumers on a personal level, answering their beauty queries day in and day out. And who can forget about fitness guru Nunuri? With her unique workouts, she's inspiring her followers to stay active. And she's doing it all without breaking a virtual sweat. These AI influencers are not just trendy, they're profitable. They're raking in the likes, shares, and dollars, proving that the world of influencer marketing is ripe for AI innovation. Now that you're excited about the potential of AI influencers, you're probably wondering how to create your own. Well, it's simpler than you think. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to take to build your own virtual influencer and start reaping the benefits. First and foremost, you'll need to conduct thorough research on your target audience and niche. Understanding who you're speaking to and what they're interested in is key to creating an AI influencer that will truly resonate with them. Are they into fitness, fashion, tech? Find a space that aligns with your interests and expertise, and you're already halfway there. Once you've nailed down your audience and niche, it's time to get creative and design your AI influencer's persona and aesthetic. This is where you can let your imagination run wild. Your AI influencer can be anything or anyone you want them to be. Think about their backstory, their personality traits, their look. The more detailed and unique, the better. Now onto the fun part, generating content. Thanks to advancements in AI technology, you can use specialized tools to create engaging posts and interact with your audience. These tools can analyze trends, generate captions, schedule posts, and more. The best part? It's all automated, freeing up your time for other important tasks. Finally, let's talk about monetization. This is where your AI influencer starts to pay off. From brand partnerships to affiliate marketing, there are numerous ways to generate income from your AI influencer. Remember, the key to successful monetization is authenticity. Ensure your partnerships align with your AI's persona and your audience's interests. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating an AI influencer that resonates with your audience and generates income. It's a game changer for anyone looking to step up their social media game and make money in the process. So, are you ready to take the leap and create your own AI influencer? The future of social media is here, and it's waiting for you. Now that you know the secret to creating a successful AI influencer, it's time to take action. Harness the potential of this cutting-edge technology and start making money. The future of influencer marketing is in the palm of your hand. It's AI-powered, it's revolutionary, and it's your ticket to success. Don't miss out on the future of influencer marketing. Start creating your AI influencer today and watch the money roll in. Until next time, keep inspiring and igniting.